Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the symbol index MA alerts indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This index indicator displays the index of one of the currencies that we specify in the input right on the chart for us. This orange line represents the index, which by default shows us the dollar index. And it also applies two moving averages to this index. So by looking at their cross,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Overs and their relative positions, we can determine whether the index of the currency we're viewing on the chart is trending upwards or downwards. It shows us the trend of that index. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. At first, the currencies we can select are displayed here in the first line, allowing us to choose from these currencies and set them in this option, which is set to USD by default. The next option is the suffix that brokers usually use for currencies. For example, the broker I'm currently using applies a dot as a suffix for currency pairs. So here I have entered this dot. By default, it's empty, but if you're using a broker that has a suffix for currency pairs, you can enter that suffix here. The next option, if set to true, will display these moving averages, and if set to false, it won't display them. With the next option, we can enter the period for the first moving average, and we can also select its calculation method here. The next option allows us to specify the period and calculation method for the second moving average here as well. The next option is for alerts. If set to true, we will have an alert for when a crossover occurs between the two moving averages. The next option, if set to true, will trigger the alert on the candle that is currently open, and if set to false, it will wait for the candle to close before issuing the alert. The next option, if set to true, will display the alert as a message on the screen. The next option, if set to true, will also issue the alert as a sound, and the following option, if set to true, will send the alert to our email inbox as well. And finally, in the last option, we can enter the name of the audio file that we want to use for the alert here. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.